Good morning, students. Let's continue with the chapter that is issue of shares. Spencer Paints Limited was registered with an authorized capital of 50 lakh divided into 5 lakh equity shares of 10 each. Company issued 2 lakh equity share at a premium of 3 payable as follows: 4 on application, 5 on allotment including premium, 2 on first call, 2 on second call. So total should be 13 because 3 is the premium. All shares were subscribed with all the money. Share expenses amounted to 75,000. Prepare journal entries and bank account. So first we need to write the journal entries. Draw the format, date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. So the first entry is application entry. So it is bank account debited to share application account. How much is it? 2 lakh into 4, that is 8 lakh debit, 8 lakh credit. Write the narration. Money received on application. Then share application, you should write equity shares because they have given in the problem. Account debited to equity share capital account, 8 lakh debit, 8 lakh credit. Write the narration. Application money transferred to share capital account. Next we have is allotment. In allotment we have securities premium. So equity share allotment account debited to equity share capital account to securities premium account. So 2 lakh into 5, 2 lakh into 2, 2 lakh into 3 is the premium. So 10 lakh debit, 4 lakh and 6 lakh. Write the narration. Allotment including premium due. Next we have money received. So bank account debited to share allotment account, equity share allotment account. 10 lakh debit, 10 lakh credit. Write the narration. Allotment money received including premium. Then we have first call. So equity share first call account debited to equity share capital account. It is 2 lakh into 2. 4 lakh debit, 4 lakh credit. Write the narration. Money due on first call. Next entry, bank account debited to equity share first call account, 4 lakh debit, 4 lakh credit. Write the narration. Money received on first call. Next it is second and final call. So equity share second and final call account debited to equity share capital account, 4 lakh debit, 4 lakh credit. Write the narration. Money due on second and final call. Next entry, bank account debited to equity share first and final call account, 4 lakh debit, 4 lakh credit. Write the narration. Money received on second and final call. Next we have their share expenses. So share issue expenses account debited to bank account, 75,000 debit, 75,000 credit. They have said that the share expenses are written off against securities premium. Before that, write the narration. Expenses incurred on issue of shares. So when they are written off against securities premium, the entry is securities premium account debited to share expenses account, 75,000 debit, 75,000 credit. Write the narration. Share issue expenses written off against securities premium account. Next, they have asked us to prepare the bank account. So debit side, credit side. Debit side we have to share application account 8 lakh, to equity share allotment account 10 lakh, to equity share first call 4 lakh, to equity share final call 4 lakh. On credit side we have buy share issue expenses 75,000, buy balance carried down. The total is 26 lakh of debit side. So 26 lakh minus 75,000, it is 25 lakh 25,000. Last we need to prepare the balance sheet. So balance sheet as on. Particulars, note number, current year and previous year, and then we need to prepare notes to accounts. Particulars, amount and amount. So first we have share capital. Under that we have authorized capital in bracket 5 lakh shares of rupees 10 each, 50 lakh. Then we have issued, subscribed and fully paid up in bracket 2 lakh shares of rupees 10 each, that is 20 lakh. Next, second we have reserves and surplus. Under reserves and surplus we have securities premium. How much is it? 5,25,000. Why 5,25,000? Because actually it was 6 lakh, but 75,000 is written off against share expenses. Then third we have cash and cash equivalents. Under that we have cash at bank, that is 25 lakh 25,000. Next, go to the balance sheet. First we have equity and liability. Under that shareholders funds. Under that share capital, note number 1 20 lakh. Then B, reserves and surplus, note number 2 5,25,000. So what is the total? 25,25,000. Then second we have assets. Under assets we have current assets. Under current assets we have cash and cash equivalents, note number 3 25,25,000. So liabilities and assets are tallying. Clear? Next, take down illustration 10. JCM Limited invited application for issuing 20,000 shares of 20 at a discount of 10%. The whole amount was payable on application. The issue was fully subscribed. Pass necessary journal entries. So it is only application stage and entire is given in the application. So first entry is bank account debited to equity share application account. So for 20 rupees they have given a discount of 10%. So it is 20,000 into 18, that is 3,60,000, 3,60,000. So write the narration. Receipt of share application money on 20,000 shares at rupees 18 each. Next we have equity share application account debited, share discount account debited to equity share capital account. So application is 3,60,000, discount is 20,000 into 2, that is 40,000, total is 4 lakh. Write the narration. Issue of 20,000 equity shares of rupees 20 each at a discount of 10%. So this is how we do the discount problem. Whenever they have given discount, even in our first entry, the amount of share here they have given 20 rupees. We need to do 10% discount and then write the amount. Next, take down illustration 13. Jain Limited purchased building for 10 lakh from Gupta Limited 10% of the amount paid by check drawn in favor of Gupta. The balance was paid by the issue of equity shares at a discount of 10%. Pass necessary journal entry. So in this case, it is consideration other than cash. They have purchased building. So I had given you the journal entries for purchase shares issued for consideration other than cash. So write down in the books of Jain Limited, journal entries. So date, particulars, LF, debit, credit. First will be asset account. Here asset is building to vendor. Who is the vendor? It is Gupta's account. 10 lakh debit, 10 lakh credit. Write the narration. Building purchased from Gupta Limited. Then we paid 10% payment. So Gupta's account debited to bank account. So 10 lakh into 10%. 1 lakh debit, 1 lakh credit. Write the narration. 10% payment made by check. The balance is paid as equity shares. So Gupta Limited debited. We have a discount also. So discount on issue of shares to equity share capital account. So 10% into 10 is how much? 9 rupees. It can be either 10 lakh minus 1 lakh, 9 lakh we can write, or we can find out the number of equity shares. How do we find the number of equity shares issued? It is 9 lakh divided by 9. How much is it? 1 lakh. So 1 lakh shares of 9 each. Then there is a discount of 1 lakh rupees. Total is 10 lakh. So write down the narration. Balance payment made by the issue of 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each at 10% discount. This is how we work out the problem when shares are issued other than cash. Next, take down illustration 14. X Limited purchased a running business from Y Limited for a sum of 30 lakh payable 40% by check and the balance by issue of fully paid up equity shares at a premium of 20%. The assets are as follows. Past necessary journal entries. So first entry will be asset account to the vendor's account. Then it is 40% paid by check, vendors to bank account, and last will be by equity shares. So write down in the books of X Limited journal entries. Draw the format, date, particulars, LF, debit, credit. So what are the assets? Building account debited, debtors account debited, plant and machinery account debited, cash account debited, stock account debited, to sundry creditors account to Y Limited. So building is 12 lakh, debtors 4 lakh 30,000, plant and machinery 8 lakh, 90,000 is cash, stock is 5 lakh, creditors is 2 lakh. We have purchased a business for Y lakh 30 lakh. So total is 32 lakh. So debit side has a balance. So that balance will be written as goodwill account balancing figure debited, that is 1,80,000. So whenever there is a balancing figure, we would be writing it as goodwill account balancing figure. So write the narration. Purchase of business from Y Limited. Next we have Y Limited debited to bank account. 40% is made by check. So 30 lakh into 40 by 100, 12 lakh. Write the narration. 40% payment made by check. Last entry we have Y Limited debited to equity share capital account, to securities premium reserve account. So what is the reserve? Reserve, they have said that is 20%. So out of 30 lakh, how much is remaining to be done payment to Y? It is 18 lakh. In that 18 lakh, premium is 20%. So we need to find the number of shares. So write down working note, number of equity shares to be issued. In this case, it is premium. So it is 18 lakh divided by 120, 15,000 shares. So it is 15,000 into 10 will be equity shares, that is into 100 it is. So 15 lakh, and then 15,000 into 20 will be securities premium, that is 3 lakh. So write the narration. Balance payment made by the issue of 50,000 equity shares of 100 each at a premium of 20%. So whenever there is premium, we need to add whatever is the face value, that is 100 plus 20% premium, and whenever there is discount, we need to deduct, that is 100 minus 20% discount. Clear? So that's all for today. We shall be continuing the remaining problems in the next class. Thank you.